करना क्या है. Okay, we have to prove that the triangles are congruent, and congruency means that we have to prove that both the triangles are equal in all respect. That if we are going to place one triangle above the other, then it is going to coincide. Okay, both the hands are equal. You have to put both the hands above each other so that it fall means exactly. Okay, they are overlapping each other. Okay, so this is the meaning of congruency. That if you're proving two triangles are congruent, that means when you are placing each other one triangles above each other, then they are taking all the positions of the other. Okay, they are totally coinciding. Okay, now how can we prove this? There are we will be covering 4 rules here in this chapter. The first one is SAS. Now let's see SAS. From the word only SAS, side. S stand for side, A stand for angle. SAS, side, angle, side. And this will be the format also. यही आपका flow होगा. SAS means side. एक कोई side, जो भी side आपका दिया हुआ है, फिर उसके बाद वाला एंगल और फिर उसके बाद वाला साइड. ओके, मींस द एंगल शुड ऑलवेज, द एंगल दैट यू आर टेकिंग विल ऑलवेज बी बिटवीन द टू साइड्स दैट यू आर टेकिंग. ओके, वो एंगल उन दोनों साइड्स के बीच में ही बनना चाहिए. ASS and SSA doesn't exist for congruency. Okay, ASS and SSA doesn't exist for proving the triangle congruent. Okay, only SAS exists. Understood now, Shazan? Aram got it. Now what about you? Okay. Have you understood what is the meaning of congruency, Shazan?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, what do you mean by SAS? Can you tell me? SAS?
Side, angle, side.
Now, how many sides does the triangle have?
3.
And how many angles does the triangle has?
3.
Okay, so just from SAS, you can see just by choosing 2 sides and 1 angle, you can prove that both the triangles are going to coincide each other. Okay, both the triangles are equal. Now, but there is a condition. You can take 2 sides and 1 angle, but there is a condition that the angle should fall between the 2 sides that you are taking. Okay, for example, if you are taking AB, if you are taking, if you are taking AB and AC, then the angle should be angle A. Okay, if you are taking AB, AC, if you are proving AB is equal to PQ and AC is equal to PR, then you have to take the angle A is equal to P. You cannot take angle B and C, because angle A only lies between the 2 sides that you are taking. If you are taking, now I am using another color. If you are taking AB and BC, then you have to choose this angle. Okay, understood? If you are choosing these 2 sides, then you have to choose angle B is equal to angle Q. Okay, now again another color I am choosing. If you are choosing this is equal this 2 sides, then you have to choose that this angle will be equal to this. Understood now? To prove both the triangles are congruent, you can prove it just by see, congruency means all the 3 sides will be one of the all the 3 sides will be equal to the another triangle, all the 3 sides. एक triangle का सारे तीनों sides जो हैं दूसरे triangle के तीनों sides से equal होंगे, तीनों angle दोनों triangle के equal होंगे. This is congruency. Okay, but just by using some of the angles and some of the sides, you can prove that the whole triangle is congruent. Okay, and if you have proved that the triangle is congruent, then all the parts will be equal, because this is you can say this is a feature of a congruent triangle, that all the sides will be equal and all the angles will be equal. Okay, understood? From CPCT, always mention from CPCT. Like I have taken AB and BC. I am saying that AB is equal to PQ and BC is equal to QR. Angle B is equal to angle Q. So triangle ABC is congruent to PQR. Therefore, side AC will be equal to PR from CPCT. Okay, CPCT means who is going to tell CPCT? Shazan, I have been repeating this the whole means I wherever I said CPCT, I have tell the whole means what you can say full form I used to say, so that you remember. So can you tell me what is the full form of CPCT? Corresponding part of congruent triangle. Okay, remember this CPCT. Okay, now still any doubt is there? And it is clearly I have mentioned this in your note point that ASS or SSA rule do not hold. So never, you cannot prove that 2 triangles are congruent by ASS or SSA. You always have to have SAS rule only. Okay, now
Or
still
ASA, right?
Yeah,
Or ASA.
SAS.
Yeah, ASA.
Okay. Now still any doubt is there for SAS? Hello, Dvika. Okay, one last question we are going to do on SAS, and then we will move on another congruency rule, that is ASA. Okay, angle, side angle. Okay, but here when we will prove ASA, then another case also exists, that is SAA also exists. Okay, now we will see afterwards. Okay, now let's see the last question of SAS. In the given triangle, okay. Now see, in the given figure, triangle ABC, okay, triangle ABC are such that, sorry, both the triangle ABC and ABD, okay, are such that AD is equal to BC, okay, AD is equal to BC, okay, and what else? Angle A is equal to angle 2. This angle A is equal to, I'm marking with the same color, angle A is equal to angle 2, okay, and angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Angle 3 is equal to angle 4, okay. Understood? Prove that BD is equal to AC. BD is equal to AC. Now, how can you prove that BD is equal to AC? Tell me. Who is going to tell? Everybody can try, and everybody should try. So, who is the first one to try? Do you want to tell anything about this, Aram? No? Shazan? Yes, Shazan?
What, ma'am? Ma'am, you explained it.
No, first tell me answer. Okay, now two triangles, A, B, C. You can differentiate between ABC and AD, na? Triangle A, B, D. Okay, understood, Shazan? Now tell me, in ABC and ABD, what are the three sides? Now you have to prove that BD is equal to AC. Now what about, what is given in the question from the both the triangles? That AD is equal to BC. Now till now we have covered SAS. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So can you find out two sides and one angle? Two sides and the joining of the between angle. So it is already given to you that AD is equal to BC. Yes or not? AD is equal to BC. It is already given. Yes?
Yes.
Okay. Now the other side, this you have to prove. This ये वाला जो है ना वो prove ही करना है आपको, ये वाला इसके equal है. Now this AB is common or not in both the triangles? AB is common. AB is
Yes,
equal to AB, common and common side. Now we have got the two sides. Now the angle between these two sides is this whole angle. Yes? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Now it is already given to you that angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2 given, and angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Sorry, given. Adding both equations. You can take it first, second, and add both. So what you will get? Angle 1 plus angle 3 is equal to angle 2 plus angle 4. Now what is angle 1 plus 3? It is angle DAB. Angle DAB is equal to angle CBA. Angle CBA. So we have already got what? SAS congruency. From SAS congruency, triangle from SAS congruency, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ABD. Okay. Therefore, which two side was there? BD is equal to AC. BD is equal to AC. From, now Shazan, tell me from what? How can we say that BD is equal to AC? Who is going to tell? BD is equal to AC. How can I write? What I'm going to write the condition here? Why
Ma'am,
BD?
that one which you just said right in the full form of.
That one which I said, me write in exam. So you're going to write an exam also. That one which ma'am said in coaching.
Right,
One last, the exact rule. Aram, can you tell? Asbika, Sharia,
Okay, tell the-
CP. Remember these things, okay? Because they are very. You have to mention.
Congruent parts of congruent triangle, right?
No, not congruent, corresponding part of congruent triangle. Okay, this first C stands for corresponding parts. Okay, and the last congruent triangle. Okay, so you have to remember the CPCT. You have to mention it. All the reasons you have to mention how you are saying that this is equal to this. Here I have mentioned that it is given. It was given. This is common side. Okay, because this whole question is going to cover your 2 to 4 marks also. Okay, so why he will give you 4 marks just for writing 2-3 lines? For everything you have to mention each, and it should be very clear how you are saying, why it is. Okay, so mention all the reason. Okay, it's your geometry. Okay, understood? And whenever you see the question, always make the figure and see what is given and how can you relate the given from the what you have to find out. कौन सा path कैसे relate करोगे? ठीक है? Now here you have to prove that DB is equal to AC. Now how can you prove? You are given two triangles and already 2-3 things are already given to you. So, and we can choose that both the triangles are congruent. If both the triangles will be congruent, then DB is equal to AC. From CPCT we can say. Now what is given? How can we prove that triangle ABD is congruent to ABC? You have to see. Okay. Now you have so many rules. Okay. Now till now we have covered only SAS. So we knew that we can just see SAS. Now in the exam when the question comes, you will be having 4 rules. SAS, ASA, RHS, and one more. SSS. Okay, SSS. Okay, so all the 4 you have to see what is given. All the 3 sides are given. 1 angle, 2 sides are given. or two angle one side is given, it is fulfilling the condition or not, and so you will be able to prove the triangles are congruent. Okay, everybody is doing their assignment or not? Okay, now let's see another ASA. So from ASA congruency rule, again, A stand for angle, S stand for side, and the third one again, A stand for angle. So angle, side, angle means the two angles that you are taking, the side should be between them. Okay, but here it is not the fixed rule. We will see in the end also. We will see in the end that you can use to prove two triangles are congruent by SAA also. Okay, but it's better that you go for ASA. Okay, now from ASA, angle, side, angle congruency rule. Now what it says? Okay, that for example, if two triangles are given to you, ABC and PQR. Okay, understood? Now, if angle B is equal to angle Q and angle A is equal to angle P and BA is equal to QP, then the two triangles are congruent. Okay, if angle A is equal to angle P, angle C is equal to angle R, AC, side AC is equal to PR, then the two triangles are congruent. Okay, now the third that will be clear, that angle B is equal to angle Q, angle C is equal to angle R, and side BC is equal to QR. Okay, so the triangles are congruent. Okay, so these three are there. Any one, if any one of this exists, any one, you can see or is written and is not written. If any one exists, so the triangles are congruent. Okay, now how can we prove that these triangles are congruent? Now see here, we are given two triangles ABC and PQR. Okay, in which angle B is equal to angle Q, it is given to you. Angle C is equal to angle R, that is also given, and side BC is equal to QR. Okay, to prove triangle ABC is congruent to PQR, means if these three conditions are there, then you have to prove that two triangles are congruent. Actually, this is the proof of the given condition, that if these three things exist, both the triangles will be congruent. Okay, now how can the triangles be congruent? There will be three different cases. Okay, now we will see one case at a time. Okay, now case one. Okay, now the conditions were given. Okay, but right now you cannot just directly say the triangles are congruent. We have to prove that if these three conditions exist, then the triangles will be congruent. Okay, now, but we already know SAS. Yes, we already know about SAS. That from SAS we can prove that the two triangles are congruent. Okay, that is like the axiom. Okay, SAS. Now there will be three conditions. If you see SAS, because we are given that the angle B is equal to angle Q, angle B is equal to angle Q, and BC is equal to QR. So I am BC is equal to QR. So I am taking side AB. First I am taking side AB. Okay. Now three conditions I am forming with side AB. Okay. Three conditions will be what? That yeah, the AB, it will be that AB will be equal to PQ. Yes, if you are proving with SAS, it is not given that AB is equal to PQ. So what three conditions will be exist if you want to prove by SAS? That AB will be equal to PQ, or AB will be greater than PQ, or AB will be smaller than PQ. Okay, we will study all the three conditions, and then we will be proving that if these three conditions are given, then the triangles will be congruent. Okay, now let's see the first one, that AB is equal to PQ. That is the easiest one. Okay. Now, if AB is equal to PQ in the triangle, it is if it is there that AB is equal to PQ, then BC is also equal to QR, that is given to you, and angle B is equal to angle Q, that is also given. So both the triangles will be congruent by SAS. Yes. So if these three conditions are there, then the triangles, you can directly say the triangles are congruent in the first case. Okay. Now in the other two cases also, from this cases, it is trying to say that it's not necessary that the other side is also given. Okay, only two angles and one side is going to work sufficient to prove that the two triangles are going to coincide each other. The two triangles are congruent. Okay, now case two, that AB is greater than PQ. Abhi AB हमने equal लिया PQ के. Now this time I am taking AB is greater than PQ. If AB is greater than PQ, so to prove the triangles are congruent, what I am doing, I am taking a point S on AB such that BS is equal to PQ. I am constructing, okay, a little construction I am doing. I am taking a point S on AB in such a way that BS is equal to PQ. Okay, now let's do the proving. Okay, so now we have a triangle BSBC. Okay, I am having the triangle SBC and triangle PQR. Now in triangle SBC, BC is equal to QR is already given. Angle B is equal to angle Q is also given. And from construction, SB is equal to PQ. Okay. So all the three from SAS rule, the two triangles are congruent. Yes. You can see all the three conditions properly. from SAS, we have proven that this triangle is congruent. Till SE only I am taking. Okay. This triangle is congruent to this triangle. Okay. Understood? Now, we have to prove that only the three things were sufficient to prove that the two triangles are congruent. There should not be any extra S should be there. Okay. Now, let's see. In triangle SCB, okay, if both the triangles are congruent, therefore, from CPCT, you can say that angle SCB is equal to PRQ. This angle is equal to this from CPCT. Yes or no? Yes. But it was already given in the starting, you see. It was already given that angle C is equal to angle R. And angle C, you can write that angle ACB is equal to angle PRQ. Okay. Now you come here. Angle ACB is equal to PRQ is already given. Okay. So angle SCB is equal to ACB. Are you getting or not? Okay. अगर A equal to B है और B equal to C है तो A equal C होता है. You already know this axiom.
Ma'am, do we have to mention that? Ma'am, the axiom is that when two things are equal to each other,
No,
they
you
always
don't have to mention here because that is. But I am for explaining that if somebody is getting confused, for explaining that I am telling. Okay, it is already written here. Advika, you see that angle SCB is equal to PRQ. From as we have proven that this triangle is congruent. So from CPCT we can say angle SCB is equal to PRQ. But in the starting, it was already given to us that angle ACB is equal to PRQ. Therefore, angle SCB is equal to ACB. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Is only so. How can it be possible? How can it be possible that S coincide with A?
This coincides with A. Ma'am, because of CPCT?
Which one?
Ma'am, that SB is equal to AB is equal to PQ.
ACB is equal to PRQ.
No, ma'am. Ma'am, if the two triangles are congruent to each other, then SB is equal to AB is equal to PQ, right?
AB is equal to PQ. No, AB is equal to PQ. No. AB is equal to PQ. We are just assuming that three cases for SAS. In case of SAS, देखो अद्विका क्या है कि हम पढ़ रहे हैं ASA, okay, and we are learning how to prove that this condition is sufficient to prove that the two triangles are congruent. Okay, now we already know that this condition exists. SAS condition exists करती है. Okay, now what is given to us? Angle, side angle. So only one side is given to us that they are equal, and two angles are given. So I am choosing one angle from among the first one, SAS, and one side I am taking. So when I am taking one side, so there will be three conditions. क्योंकि given नहीं है, so three condition can be there that both side equal है, या फिर big है, या smaller है दूसरे triangle से. Okay, so that only three cases we are studying. Okay, now here when I have taken a point S, I have assumed here that AB is greater than PQ. So I have taken a point S in such a way that BS is equal to PQ. So I have proven that the triangle SBC is congruent to triangle. Just a minute, 1 minute. Now I have proven that the two triangles are congruent. Okay, so if the two triangles are congruent, then from CPCT we can say that angle SCB, this angle SCB angle is equal to PRQ. Okay, now you can see some gap is left with, if you are saying that SBC, this gap is left. Yes, as we are taking point C, तो वो थोड़ा सा angle SCA, ये angle है ना, SCA is left. Okay, but from the given, it is already given to us that angle ACB is equal to PRQ. ACB जो है ये पूरा angle जो है वो equal है इस angle के, that is already given to us in the starting. Okay, so how can it be possible if S is coinciding with angle A? Okay, S is nothing, it is only angle A. Okay, so coinciding angle A, that means SB is equal to AB is equal to PQ. That means SA condition is sufficient to prove that the two triangles are congruent. Understood, everybody?
Yes, sir.
AS. From SAS, we have proved that the triangles are congruent for ASA. Okay? Yeah. So SAS condition is sufficient to prove the two triangles are congruent. Yes? Understood? Just look at this for 1 minute and tell me that any doubt is still there.
Wait,
Yes, Shazan?
let me see. I'll write it down.
You have to write it down. Write it. Advika is also taking a gap of 2-3 minutes. Arham, do you have any doubt? Anywhere, any loops are there?
No, ma'am.
Okay. After means the class is finished. Okay. Sit for another half an hour or 1 hour and just go through what you have studied. Okay. in the class, all the questions, everything. And if you find anywhere any doubt, just note down it. And in the next class, first clear that doubt, and then we will move forward. Because if you will keep on moving forward, and back loops are there in the previous concept, so it will never let you move forward. वो आगे बढ़ने ही नहीं देगा आपको, ठीक है? So try to clear it. अगर आपको क्लास के फौरन बाद टाइम नहीं मिलता, so at night time or in the morning time, just before class, just check it that all the things that were taught in the class that were very much clear to you. No doubts is there or any loop is there. Okay. Now shall we move to the case 3? Okay. Now case 3 is what? That maybe AB is smaller than PQ. Okay. Now in case 3, I'm not giving you the complete detail because it is same as the case 2. Okay. Just it is only difference is that this time AB is smaller. Okay, and PQ becomes bigger. So in PQ, we are taking point M in such a way that QM is equal to AB. Okay, the whole process remain the same to prove. Okay, we will do all the steps. Okay, but this time we will make that M coincide with P. Okay, understood? Now in the next class, in okay, I want to announce. Advika, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Monday you will be having test of lines and angles, okay? Because I have completed lines and angles, and okay, I have already too many pending chapters, okay? But I have recently completed lines and angles, so on Monday first I will take your test on lines and angle, okay? Understood, everybody? Okay, I will announce it in your WhatsApp app also, but I will.
We have a test on Monday.
Which test you are having on Monday?
PCP.
PCB. PCB?
Basic concept program.
Okay, you are having a test on Monday.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, then I will confirm with the ma'am, and then I will tell you, okay, that it will be on Monday or it will be on your Wednesday. No, I think it will be then scheduled to Wednesday. I'll check with the ma'am and then I will tell you, okay?
Okay.
Okay, it will be clear. Okay, announce in your app, sorry, in your WhatsApp group, okay? Now let's see. Now here, just I told you now that AAS congruency also exists, okay? Means the sum of three angles. See, if AA exists, okay, if two angles are equal, then you already know that the third angle will be equal. मतलब अगर दो angle equal है तो तीसरा तो angle equal होना ही है. There is no other chance that it will not be equal because all the sum of all the three sides of the angle is 180 degree. So from that you can conclude that if two angles are equal, the third angle will be equal. Okay, so if two pair of angles are equal, then third pair is also equal. So two triangles are congruent if any two pairs of angles and one pair of corresponding sides are equal. Okay, and it is called AAS congruency rule. Okay, so AAS congruency rule also exists. Understood? And yeah, make it sure that AAA criteria doesn't exist. AAA doesn't exist because if all the three angles of a triangle is equal to other three triangles, other three.
It is in 10th class.
Yeah.
It is in 10th class now. AA criteria.
See, because there we were proving that the triangles are similar, not congruent. Okay, if the three angles are equal to the other three angles of the other triangle, then it will be similar. दोनों triangles same तो होंगे, लेकिन equal नहीं होंगे. A triangle तो छोटा हो, बड़ा हो, angle same हो सकता है. Okay, yes or no? I can draw two sides of triangle and the angle still remains the same or not? Yes or no? But in congruency, the size matters. So you cannot use AA. And yeah, you are right that in 10th because there was similarity, Shazan. Okay, similarity means both the triangles are similar. दोनों एक जैसे हैं. तो जब तीनों एंगल इक्वल होगा दूसरे ट्रायंगल के तीनों एंगल से तो वो सेम ही होगा. बट वो इक्वल नहीं हो सकता है. कोई छोटा हो सकता है, कोई बड़ा हो सकता है. ठीक है? So congruency में AA rule नहीं exist करता है. Similarity में exist करता है. And the starting only I told you congruency and similarity are different things. Okay, if the triangles are congruent, then it will be similar. If the two triangles are congruent, it will be similar. But if the triangles are similar, it is not necessary. It is going to be congruent. Okay, because congruency is not only for similar figure for similarity, it is equality also. यहाँ पे equal भी होना चाहिए. In similarity, only two things should look similar. It is similar. Okay. Now let's do some question, and this is one of the basic question. Now tell me what will be the answer. Okay. It is just you have to tell the answer. In triangle ABC and triangle QRP, okay, two triangles here. Understand the question. There are two triangles. Angle A is equal to angle Q. Okay, angle A is equal to angle Q, and angle B is equal to angle R. This angle is equal to this angle. Okay, and this angle is equal to this angle. Okay. And what else it is given? Which side of triangle PQRP should be equal to AB? अब AB के equal कौन सी side होनी चाहिए QRP में? Tell me quick. which side will be equal? QRP, triangle QRP में कौन सी side equal होगी AB के? If you need to prove that the two triangles are congruent, what was ASA criteria? According to ASA, the side should lie between the two angles. Yes. And what are the two angles? Here the side is already given AB. So AB के साथ कौन सी side आएगी QRP की?
Ma'am, QR.
Yes, QR आएगी. Okay, understood? Okay, now let's just a minute. Now if the altitudes AD, BE, and CF, all the three altitudes are equal of the triangle ABC. Okay, then prove that triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. Now, what is given here? All the altitudes are equal. That means AD is equal to BE is equal to CF. Okay, and what else is given? Nothing. To prove, what you have to prove? That
ABC are equal.
BC is equal to CA. All the three sides are equal. Equilateral triangle means this only, that all the three sides are equal. Now proof. Now tell me the proof. Now how can you say that the three sides are equal? You can prove that these two sides are equal, and then you can prove these two sides are equal. Okay, you can choose two at a time and prove that if these two are equal and these two are equal, then all the three are equal. Yes or no? In that way you can prove. Yes. Now how can we prove that the two sides are also equal? Now here, if you see, there are so many triangles are made in one triangle. Okay. Now in one triangle only, you can see so many triangles are made. Now, if you see this triangle, two triangles में एक कलर से कर रही हूँ, फिर बाकी के दो फिर एक कलर से करूंगी. ठीक है, ये दो triangle दिख रहे हैं? Two triangles I mark. Okay. Now in both the triangle, if you see, then this is 90 degree and this is your 90 degree. Okay. So one angle is 90 degree. Yes or no? Yes. And the two.
AD.
Yeah.
Ma'am, AD is at 90 degree, no?
Yeah. No, in the triangle ADC, angle ADC is equal to 90 degree, and in triangle BEC, angle BEC is equal to 90 degree. Okay, because they are altitudes. Okay, altitudes will be at 90 degree. They are perpendiculars. Okay, so these two angles are 90 degree. Now, if you see, angle C is common in both the triangles. Yes, angle C is common. So we have two angles and one side. Which side? Wait, I have chosen wrong triangle. No, yeah. Sorry. What angle DEC is equal to angle ADC is equal to 90 degree? Yes. Angle ACD is equal to angle BDCE, common angle, and AD is equal to BE, given. Yes or no? So you see, from ASA, yes or no? From ASA, actually here you will be not be using ASA, it will be AAS. Two angles, and the side will be, yeah, it will be AAS. From AAS, triangles are congruent. Okay, congruent. Which two triangle? Triangle ADC. ADC is congruent to triangle BEC. Okay, so therefore side AC is equal to BC. AC is equal to BC from CPCT. Yes or no? Understood? Any doubt here?
Yes, ma'am, it is not corresponding parts of
congruent triangle. Okay. Now, same way, we are going to choose another two. Which another two triangles? Now, this time, this triangle, this and this. Okay. Now, these two triangles, when you will choose, the same thing will happen. Okay. Angle B is common. This is 90 degree and this is 90 degree. And your altitudes are equal. So, the triangles will be congruent. Okay. So, since the triangles are congruent, so AB is equal to BC. Okay. Again, you will get AB is equal to BC, and we have AC is equal to BC also. So all the three will be equal to BC. Similarly, in triangle, I'm writing the triangle name ADB, congruent to triangle ADB, to CFB. Okay. Therefore, AB is equal to BC. Therefore, ये आप अगर इसको first कर लेते हो CPCT. इसको सेकंड कर लेते हो. Therefore, from first and second, AB is equal to BC is equal to CA. Okay, triangle is equilateral. Understood? Any doubt how the triangle is proved? How the triangle has been proved equilateral? Any doubt? I have not explained the complete this, but in your exam you are going to write all the things. Okay, that the angle B is common. This angle is 90 degree and the altitudes are given equal. Okay, so AS criteria, the two triangles are congruent. Therefore, AB is equal to DC. Okay. Sharia, Advika, Shazan, Arham, any doubt? Clear?
No, ma'am, clear.
Okay. Now note down this question, everybody. And in the next class, I'm going to ask you, and you are going to tell me. Okay. Select all. Okay. I'm writing down the question here. Everybody copy this question. Okay, I'm copying the figure also. In the next class, I will ask you this question.